Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to stop a riot in lands of jail. If riot keeps breaking out in lands of jail, the biggest thing to understand is that unhappy prisoners eventually turn into chaotic prisoners, and suddenly your prison feels like less management and more like a disaster documentary. To stop riots, focus first on inmate needs by upgrading important facilities like the cafeteria, showers, laundry area, and other essential rooms so prisoners stay comfortable and less aggressive. It also helps to keep your warden's office and support buildings upgraded because your stronger person management improves overall stability. Another huge factor is security balance. If your prison population keeps growing while your guard levels stay weak, inmates will notice the imbalance very quickly. Make sure you're hiring enough guards and distributing employees properly throughout the prison. You should also avoid overworking prisoners in factory jobs because stressed inmates become angry inmates surprisingly fast. Keep checking the management or happiness section regularly so you can catch warning signs early. Basically, the goal is balancing security, workload, and comfort before your prison turns into absolute chaos. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.